Welcome to the Fact Stories channel. Today we will talk about Bitcoin. Here are 10 facts you should know about Bitcoin. Number 10. Bitcoins may sound unreliable at first, but did you know Bitcoin is actually a real currency? You can actually buy real things with Bitcoin. There is a variety of merchants who accept Bitcoins as payment for items, both online and physical stores. Number 9. You hold your Bitcoins in a wallet. If you lose access to the wallet, it means those Bitcoins are lost forever. These Bitcoins have unique keys to them, and so if they're lost with a wallet, then they are essentially removed from circulation forever. Number 8. Bitcoins are held in a digital wallet. This wallet is like a physical wallet, but much more secure. If you lose it, it's lost forever. However, it's impossible for people to take money from your wallet without you giving it to them. Number 7. If you send money to a friend in another country, you'd likely have to pay bank transfer and currency conversion fees. Additionally, your friend may have to wait a few days before the money is available. With Bitcoins, there are little to no transaction fees and the money is available almost instantly. Number 6. One of the most important features of Bitcoins is that you can never be forced to pay, nor can you take back a transaction. If you send a company some Bitcoins for a product, you cannot revoke that transaction. Number 5. Did you know that mining Bitcoins is a term that actually means you're using a computer program to solve mathematical problems to verify various transactions around the world? Bitcoin miners get paid a certain number of Bitcoins for solving those problems. Number 4. The amazing thing about Bitcoin is that it is completely transparent with transactions and amounts. Everything is able to be seen on the blockchain and it's completely transparent. This creates a lot of trust and security amongst the Bitcoin community. Number 3. Look at a dollar bill, you know that it is a piece of paper with a number on it and that it is worth $1. In fact, it only has value because we say it does. Bitcoins are the same way. The more popular Bitcoin gets, the more value is going to be placed on each individual coin. Number 2. You would think that there is an infinite number of Bitcoins in existence. However, that would devalue the currency and render it worthless. Instead, there are exactly 21 million coins. Number 1. No single entity controls this currency. The general concept of currency and money is that a bank controls it, that there are rises and falls in its value based on the global market. Bitcoin defies all of these. It is, in fact, controlled by everyone who uses Bitcoin. Thank you for watching, I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for daily updates.